Toebe's been around since 1922. Been primarily a heavy civil contractor focused on bridge and road construction. So 102 years is a long time, but we're constantly striving to understand the needs and wants of the customer and then our partners in the industry as well. So our motto is quality over quantity. We're more focused on the more detail-oriented, really tough jobs, kind of weeds out the competition a little bit, and that's our wheelhouse. We like the really tough ones. This is a main thoroughfare through Lansing. It's about a 4-mile stretch of highway. We've got 18 bridges that we're reconstructing on this job. All of the underground work, redoing a bunch of the drainage. We're repaving the concrete.
There's a lot of challenges with the bridge work, and we're working over railroads and next to live traffic as well. We have 19 excavators, 10 dozers, 8 rollers, 5-6 loaders, and 8 cranes. Productivity and reliability. We really need the machines to stay up and running. It's critical because these are an MDOT project and it's all fast-paced. We have deadlines to hit throughout the year, and quantities to make sure we're on target.
We want to make sure that our excavators are running in rip and road. Rip and road is an extremely tough thing on these machines, and if we've got a machine that can't live up to it or is overheating, failing, not getting enough hydraulic pressure to actually make it happen, it's a problem. We've gotten really good initial feedback off of the 500s. We've put our best operators in them, and they love them.
It's a great machine to run, it's comfortable. I've spent solid 12 hours in there, and I can tell a difference in power. When you got something that doesn't have the power, it limits you, and I'm not limited when we run these.
We take operators' opinion very seriously. We want our operators to be comfortable and happy with the equipment they're running, and Volvo has been giving us that.
Construction's an insanely competitive business, and then DOT especially. There's some really strict timelines. Our schedules are really tight. Obviously we're on the Motoring Public's dime and we're on the Motoring Public's clock as well. No problem's ever the same on these road projects. So every single one of them presents a new set of challenges, and I love being able to dissect it and try and understand it.